Want to burn more calories even while resting? Let's talk about Metabolism Igniters! What is resting calorie burn? Your body burns calories even when you're doing absolutely nothing. That's called your resting metabolic rate, RMR. It powers breathing, circulation, brain function, and keeping your body warm. Foods that increase calorie burn. Yes, I'm first. Spicy foods like chili peppers contain capsaicin, compound that can slightly increase calorie burn and fat oxidation. Even small amounts regularly can make a difference.
2. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can temporarily boost metabolism and increase alertness. Best earlier in the day to protect your sleep. 3. Green tea contains caffeine plus catechins, a combo that may enhance fat burning.
High-protein foods have a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting them compared to carbs or fats.
Examples: eggs, chicken, Greek yogurt, and legumes. Omega-3 fats support metabolic health and may improve how your body uses fat.
Important reality check. No food will magically torch fat. Metabolism boosters work best when combined with strength training, good sleep, adequate protein, balanced meals, and stress management. Quick summary: spicy foods give a mild thermogenic boost, and coffee offers a temporary metabolic lift. Green tea, fat oxidation support, protein, higher calorie burn during digestion. In conclusion, you can't out-eat your metabolism, but you can feed it smartly. I'll see you in the next one.